Hello and welcome to this new section of the course. In this section you're going to learn how to build graphical user interfaces with Python. And specifically we're going to use the Tkinter library for that. So in this section you're not going to build any real world program. I'll introduce you to the Tkinter library and of course build a graphical user interface, a small program that can get you started with Tkinter. And then in the next section, so once we are done with this section, in the next section you're going to learn how to interact with databases with Python. So we'll be using Python as a wrapper of SQL code so that we can store data in a database, query data, delete, and so on and so forth. So that was the section after this one, and then in the third section, after these two sections, we're going to build a real-world program. And that program is this one here. So I called it bookstore, and what this does is it allows you to store book information in a database. And this is a graphical user interface. So this program is made in two parts. You have a graphical user interface, which are these buttons here, which are called widgets, and this was built with Tkinter. And then you have the backend, which consists of code that communicates with a database. So, for example, if we press the View All button, we are querying the database to load all the books for us. So, we have the title, so if you press one of them, you get the title here, the author and the year of the book, and also the book identification number, which is called ISBN. You can also search for an entry, so if you want to search for an author, you write the author name in here and press search. And if you want to add an entry, you just type that in. And yeah, something like that. Add entry. And if you load them again, your entry should be here. So this is a program we're going to build two sections after this one. So let me close this one here, and in the next lecture I'll introduce you to the Tkinter library. So we'll be building some simple interfaces with some widgets. See you in the next lecture.